Has anyone ever told you nowadays all the creams that you are using, all the shampoos, all the soaps that you are using are giving you a microdose of estrogens? And that's why most of the males are experiencing signs of low testosterone and high estrogen, which you must have noticed in the form of man boobs, low energy, low sex drive, and even erectile dysfunction. So if you don't want to use synthetic Viagra, this herbal tea might be the answer for you. I was brought up in Gulf because my father's job was in Gulf. And I first came to Pakistan when I got admission in King Edward Medical University. And once I searched for the supplements, all I found on the internet were supplements for male sex health. Like there was no supplement to boost your brain power, no supplement to boost your liver detox capacity, no supplements to support the female sexual health. And since that time, more than 12 years have passed. And now in our clinic, we have a lot of tested herbal supplements for all these problems. And when I introduced my female herbal formula, which is effective for irregular menses, perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms, even to revive the uterus health after pregnancy and delivery, many of my female patients were asking me, did you make any male hormonal balance tea for our husbands? So today we will talk about our Vital Man Herbal Blend. This is effective for males between ages of 25 to 75. It has herbs which fight the low testosterone and high estrogen problems. It has herbs which address the loss of sex drive and erectile dysfunction. And also it has many herbs which combat the prostate issue, which many of our older age males face. So in this video, I'll tell you all about how to use this tea, who should use this tea, who should not use this tea, and how to take this tea. So watch the video till then.
And in our clinic, you will find a lot of other herbal supplements specially for male sexual health like magnesium glycinate and coenzyme Q10. And I have made elaborate videos on all of these supplements. To view them, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. In this video, I'll be only explaining Vital Man Herbal Blend and Trized. But keep in mind, all of these supplements should be taken under proper guidance of your doctor. So the first herb in our Vital Man Herbal Blend is maca root. Maca root is an adaptogen. It supports male fertility, energy and mood. And as you can see from this chart, in addition to boosting libido and sex drive, it has a lot of other health benefits. Secondly, we have ashwagandha. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, improves sleep, supports testosterone and muscle strength. And being a doctor, this is exactly what I like about herbal supplements. Instead of side effects like medical drugs, it has side benefits. Thirdly, we have another expensive herb called tongatal. You must have heard of it. It is also called Malaysian ginseng. It boosts testosterone, improves libido, strength and vitality. Next, we have added stinging nettle root. This is very important because it blocks excess estrogen. Also, it supports prostate health and frees up testosterone. So, anyone having problems of estrogen dominance, like for example man boobs, they will benefit tremendously from this herbal blend. Next is a common household spice called fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are clinically proven to boost testosterone and muscle mass. It also improves sexual function. Next, we have a very famous herb called ginseng. And ginseng is famous for increasing stamina, energy. Not only that, it is also wonderful for your brain function. And then for men, especially with prostate issues, we have added saw palmetto. Saw palmetto protects prostate, it reduces urinary issues and balances the hormones also. Finally, we have pumpkin seeds, and we will crush these pumpkin seeds into a fine powder because pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and antioxidants, which are essential for the health of prostate and reproductive health. And as you can see, all of these herbs are very famous and time tested, especially for male sexual health problems like premature ejaculation. But if you look at the brands in the market, most of these are present in the form of capsules or tablets. And capsules or tablets can be maximum 500 mg. If you take 2, it will be 1 gram. This powder, if you take 1 teaspoon daily, that is at least 5 grams, not milligrams, 5 grams. So the dose is more in this way. Plus, there are no additives and no fillers. It is all 100% natural.
Now let's discuss how to use this herbal blend. You have to take 1 teaspoon. You can take 1 teaspoon and put it in boiling cup of water and steep it and take it as a tea. You can also put it in your smoothies. But the thing is, you have to take tomato. either freshly sliced or pureed or whatever. Basically, in the skin of the tomato, there are lycopenes. And the lycopenes are antioxidants which increase the absorption of all these herbs. Next, who should not be taking this blend? Anyone who is under the age of 18 should not be using it. Anyone who are taking some testosterone analogs should not be taking this. Mostly young men going to the gym are given some steroid preparations in the name of muscle boosters or muscle builders. So before using them with this blend, you have to ask your doctor. And now let's discuss Trized. Trized is basically a supplement if you suffer from sperm problems like sperm motility, low sperm count, because this is a set of micronutrients. I have already done an elaborate long video about Trized. Do view it if you want to know more about it.
And as I already explained, Trized is actually a set of micronutrients. It can also be used for females because it does not actually boost up male hormones. Anyway, we have a lot of products for male hormones. Do take them under the guidance of your doctor and let me know in the comment section below if you have used any of our male fertility bundle products. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.